Do you know there are about 155,000 YouTube channels right now? And here is the shocking truth. 90% of them never reach 1,000 subscribers. Out of all those millions of channels, only about 6% get monetized. Less than 1% never touch 100,000 subscribers and earn that silver play button. And here is the craziest stat. Out of 1,000 channels, only one will ever reach 1 million subscribers. Sounds discouraging, right? But here is the good news. Every big YouTuber you admire, the ones with millions of subscribers, they all started at zero. Their first video wasn't special. The algorithm didn't treat them differently. The difference is simple. They didn't quit. They focused on the right things while others gave up. So today, in this video, I'm going to share with you the 9 key lessons that separates the 1% who succeed from the 99% who failed. Key lesson number 1, set realistic expectation. Most beginners think YouTube is easy. Record the video, upload it, go viral, and start making money. But realistic hits differently. Your first video probably won't go viral. Even if you get monetized, the income won't come huge right away. You might work hard for months and see a small result. That's okay. It doesn't mean you are failing. It means you are learning. If you keep your expectation realistic, you will celebrate the small wins, like your first 100 subscribers, your first 1,000 views, your first comment. That motivation will push you forward. Key lesson number 2, don't quit too early. Here is a fact. Most people quit within their first year on YouTube. Why? Because they don't see instant growth. Think about this. The YouTubers you admire today, do you think their first video blew up? No. Many of them made 100, 200, even 500 videos before one finally took off. Consistency beats talent. Even if your videos aren't perfect right now, if you don't quit, you will be better, and one day you will break through. Key lesson number 3, apply what you learn. Most creators bind watch how to grow on YouTube videos, but here is the problem. They don't apply what they learn. Learning without action is mainly entertainment. If you watch a tip about thumbnail, go and update your thumbnails. If you learn about watch time, adjust your script to hold viewers longer. Even if you improve your video in just 1% every time, that's process. Over time, those small improvements add up and separate you from the quitters. Key lesson number 4, find the right people with the right advice. Not all advice is good. Some channels will mislead you with hacks, tips, changes one setting and go viral overnight. Post at this exact time, the algorithm will boost you. Those are traps. They waste your time. Good advice usually takes effort. Improving your content, your ideas, and your storytelling. So before you follow anyone's tip, ask yourself, does this advice make sense? Is it about improving content or just tricking the system? Focus only on advice that helps you become a better creator. Key lesson number 5, don't try too hard to be unique at first. This one might sound strange, right? Everyone tells you be unique, but when you are just starting, can be risky. Instead, look at what's already working in your niche. Study the top creator. What kind of title do they use? What type of thumbnails? What styles of video? Then copy the structure, but add your own personality to it. That's how you grow faster. Once you've built a foundation, then you can start experimenting with unique ideas. Think of it like music. Every artist is inspired by someone else first, and then they develop their own style. Key lesson number 6, pick a niche. One big reason channels don't grow is because they are all over the place. One day gaming, next day cooking, then traveling, then motivation. YouTube doesn't know who your audience is, and neither do your viewers. Pick a niche. Decide, who am I making videos for and what problem am I solving for them? Narrow your niche down. When you create a clear audience, growth becomes much easier. Key lesson number 7, master the 80-20 rule. Here is a big secret most YouTubers won't tell you. Not all parts of making a video are equal. You could spend hours editing, but that won't matter if your title, your thumbnail aren't good enough to make people click. 80% of your result will come from 20% of your effort, mainly your idea, title, thumbnail, and the first 30 seconds of your video, which is your hook. If you don't grab people's attention at the start, they won't stay. So spend most of your energy on these 4 things: idea, title, thumbnail, and the first 30 seconds. Key lesson number 8: stay consistent. The algorithm love consistency, but most importantly, you need to grow your skill. Every video you make teaches you something new: better editing, better pacing, better storytelling. But you only learn if you keep uploading, keep showing up. Consistency doesn't mean uploading daily. It means sticking to a schedule you can maintain for a long term. Even one video a week, if consistent, can take you far. Key lesson number 9, which is a mind-blowing: be ready to pivot, be ready to switch, be ready to change niche. Sometimes your niche just won't grow. Maybe the audience is too small, or maybe it's not the right fit for your skills. That's okay. Don't be afraid to change niche. Don't be afraid to switch the niche. Test another angles to see what is working for you and stick to it. Some of the biggest creators today started in one niche and blew up in another. What matters is adapting, not being stubborn. If you notice something else is working better, follow that path. And here is my final words to you. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video, and take this final word from me. So the truth is, 90% of creators will quit, not because YouTube is impossible, but because they either set false expectations, chase shortcuts, or give up too soon. But if you stay patient, keep learning, apply what you learn, and remain consistent, you will stand out from the crowd. So now the question is, are you going to be one of the 99% that fail, or the 1% that succeed? Let me know in the comment section. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I drop something like this, you will be the first to watch. And also share this video so that YouTube will push this video to a wider audience, to people who need something like this. Thank you.